and welcome back guys. Today in this video we are going to explore about Rankx function in Power BI, and we will be also seeing two different types of Rankx, that is skip and denserank. Skip rank is it skips the next rank where it is tie, but in case of denserank it doesn't skip and it assigns the next available rank. So we'll be exploring more about this. So let me quickly bring the Power BI and I'll import our datasets over here to see how this works, how Rankx works in Power BI. So I'll click in the Excel since it is saved as in XLSX format. So I'll bring the product table first. I'll click on product table and click on open. We have to allow a few moments to get it loaded into the Power BI. I'll click on product and click on load. It is creating the connection and it has brought the data. So let me expand this product and show you how it looks like. These are the attributes and these are the data types are present over here. So let me quickly bring the another data set, that is sales data set. I'll bring the sales table. I'll click on sales and click on load. So this is the sales table and these are the attributes are present over here. Let me go to the model and it has created already auto populated connection, that is one to many. I'll go back to the report and click on matrix. Let me expand this sales table and I'll bring the product types over here. I'll quickly increase the size of this table so that it will be visible more effectively. Now it looks fine. I'll increase the value as well so that it will be compatible. Okay, now it looks fine. I'll collapse this filter pane. Okay, now I'll click on new measure and I'll first do a I'll do the sum of the total sales. So I'll write this attribute name as total of product type, and basically what I'll do, I'll wrap it up inside a sum function to make the sum of this apparel, electronics and foods, and it will give the total sum of all these product types. Hit enter and I'll bring this into the table. As you can see, these are the total product types and their sales. Now I'll click on new measure and I'll bring this Rankx function, how it ranks. So I'll put the rank of product type and I'll write the Rankx function. Basically I'm using the all to remove if there is any kind of filter is present over here in the product type. So I'll bring this product type inside the all functions. Basically I'm removing any kind of filter if it is present over there, and expression is on that just now we have created, that is total of product type. And I'll close this and I'll bring this over here in this matrix. As you can see, it has assigned the rank as 1 2 3 4. I could use these optional arguments like ASC or DSC or skip that we'll be seeing in the very shortly, but I can use any one of these ASC or DESC. By default it always goes as DESC, that is descending order, and if I choose ASC, that will be in ascending order. This ASC and DSC, that is based upon the product type, the total of product type. So what I'll do, in order to show you the difference between skip and denserank, I'll bring another two table that I have created already in a different worksheet. I'll bring them quickly onto the data model. So it has automatically populated the connection, which I'll be deleting shortly. So let me quickly bring the sales to table. So basically it has little modification. So before that, I'll delete this connection to show you the difference. So I'll delete this one, and like previous product 2 and product sales 2, I have created a different separate model. Now let me collapse the old product and sales and expand the product 2 and sales 2 table. Basically it is almost same, but there is a little modification I have done so that it can create the tie between two different types of products. So let me show you what are the difference. It has I have made a little modification in the food section, and it is basically the same thing, just I have modified with underscore 2. Let me go to the sales table, and way down you can see again I have differentiated with underscore 2. So it is the same thing, but I have attached underscore 2 along with this to distinguish. It is basically the products food section that I have made, and I have made the duplicate, but I have distinguished them with underscore, the food section. So let me go to the report view, and I'll be bringing that matrix again to show you the difference between skip and denserank. So let me bring this matrix again, and I'll bring this product type. Basically I'll be expanding this sales 2 and product 2. I'll bring the product type from the product 2 table, and again let me quickly increase the size of it so that the visibility will be much more better. Let me increase the column header as well. Okay, so now let me do a quick measure, same thing as we have done for the previous table. So I'll write the same header, but I'll distinguish with underscore 2. So it will be total of product type 2, and I'll be using the sum function, and that will be based upon the total sales that comes from sales 2 table, sales underscore 2 table. I'll bring that one, and I'll close this, hit enter, and our attribute is ready. So I'll quickly bring into our table. As you can see, it has come, it has same because it is same thing I have copied over there. Let me increase this size. Okay, it looks fine, and I'll do the same thing as we have done for the previous table, that is rank of product type 2. I'll distinguish with underscore 2, and I'll be bringing the Rankx function, and again I'll be choosing the all, and that is based upon the product type from the product 2 table. I'll put comma, and expression is on the that recently we have created, that is total of product type underscore 2. And if I bring this one into the matrix, as you can see, their rank. Now you can see that food and food underscore 2, there is a tie. So we can now bring our options, that is either we can choose ascending or descending, but after a comma there is an option of skip or dense. So since, let me show you first the skip, how it skips works. So it is skipping the second rank as it becomes tie between food and food 2. And if I choose the DESC and if I do the skip, then also it is keeping the fourth position. Okay, so let me copy this same function, and I'll create another new measure where I will be showing the dense rank as well. So this is the skip. So let me write this as skip, example of skip. So I'll copy this entire function. I'll copy this entire function and I'll click on new measure and I'll paste it over here. And now it is, instead of skip, I'll be writing as dense. So I'll be writing instead of skip in the function, I'll choose the dense and hit enter. Let me bring this over here into the matrix. I'll quickly resize and fit this column width as well. Okay, as you can see, so let me quickly change this to ASC to give you the example for the significance of this example. So let me change quickly DSC as ASC for both the example. Okay, now as you can see, there is a, for skip, it has skipped the second position and it has assigned to the next one, whereas in dense it has not skipped anything. So after tie, after 1 1, it has assigned the 2 and then it's 3. So that's how you can create the skip and dense rank, and you can assign the rank for your project. So that's all for now. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I'll see you with another new exciting video. Thank you, bye bye.